Now, without further ado, huwag na po natin patagalin ito. And our Binibinining Baler 2019 second runner-up is from Barangay Poblacion 5.
2, 3, hit it!
Candidate number 1.
With an average score of 93.42%.
And the beat don't stop.
So, dalawa na lang natitira, partner. We're down to our last two finalists. Battling for Binibining Baler 2019. So, are you all ready for the moment of truth? Handa na po ba kayo?
Okay, may we request our two ladies to come forward?
You may hold each other's hands. Hold it.
The first one we're going to mention is our Binibining Baler first runner-up. So meaning, ang matitira ang ating hihirangin Binibining Baler 2019. This is so exciting.
All right.
Binibining Baler 2019 first
runner-up
is with an average score of 93.85%. Very close lang mula sa ating second runner-up, ha?
She is from Barangay
Binibining Baler 2019 first runner-up is Barangay Kalapuanan!
And, ladies and gentlemen, our new queen is no less than from Barangay Buhangin, candidate number 5.
Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute.
First runner-up, Mary Joy Gutierrez from Barangay Buhangin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Binibining Baler 2019.
The one and only candidate.
From Barangay Buhangin.
So there you have it. To our new queen.
Congratulations to all our winners. And congratulations to all Binibinis. We are very proud of you.
Yes, I'm pretty sure. All of you are winners tonight. But there was only one queen, which was Binibini Baler 2019. So,
Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim.
Once again, congratulations!
to our Binibining Baler 2019.
And of course, si Binibining Baler 2019 nga, Miss Princess
Saturno.
Saturno from Barangay Buhangin.
So to our new queen, please take your first walk as Binibining Baler 2019. And of course, partner, to my co-host, it has been a pleasure working with you.
Thank you. Ako rin. I'm very happy na ma-share
And of course,
this with you.
to the people and the local government of Baler, maraming salamat po
Maraming salamat po sa
for
ating
coming
po.
up with this wonderful pageant.
And
So,
for Acau Baler Committee, Festejos, sa pangunguna po ni Mr. Julius Grafalda, and Binibining Baler Committee, sa pangunguna po ni Ma'am Naomi Sindakayan. Maraming salamat po sa ating pong production staff.
and
Thank
to
you
Sir
very
Ron,
much.
thank you so much. And to everybody,
To Direct
been part of
Jeff.
this bit, yep.
Yes, Direct Jeff, maraming salamat po.
our director.
To all our sponsors, thank you very much sa inyo pong support sa ating Binibining Baler 2019